It's your boy EBUKA songs right here, and I just want to sing a special song for you. One of them that you like. There is prophecy over me. Hey, I will not give up now. There is prophecy over me. Hey, man, I cannot fail my Lord. Nations are waiting for me. Oh, 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 oh. Nations are waiting for me. Oh, Achiele kabe, ochiele tan, edi eze tu kagabuluzel, edi lukutela, amuanazele. Oh my God! Happy birthday, Papa. Apostle Johnson Suleman, one man I love so dearly, such an anointed man of God. You know, since I met you, a lot of things has changed in my life. The way you teach, the width of your message, words cannot express it. Thank you so much, man of God, for the blessing that you are to this generation, the impact you have made globally. Words cannot explain it. I see how you travel to the nations just to make sure that people are set free from bondage or stage. It is not even convenient for you, but you make it happen. Thank you, sir. God bless you. I just want to use this opportunity to celebrate you and also appreciate you for the support and all that you are also doing in my life. Thank you. Thank you, man of God. Happy birthday once again. I am glad and excited to be part of this celebration. God bless you, sir.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.